guys, welcome back to my channel. Before we get started, click subscribe and turn on because you give me a huge thumbs up. Today I am actually going to be showing you how to make SpongeBob characters and other type of stuff with just slime. But the best type of slime works with cloud slime. So if you have slime like this, that's like cloud slime, or you do have cloud slime, you can follow along with me if you want to know. Okay, so first, look how much slime I have. Okay, first we're gonna make Mr. Krabs, okay? If anyone likes Mr. Krabs, today's your lucky day to know how to make him. Just put your fingers like this apart and then roll it like that, hard, kind of like that. So it can be like Mr. Krabs' nose shape. Okay, now put it on your nose like this. That's pretty good. Okay, now I can't make it go up like this, like how Mr. Krabs is, but that's how I can do it. And then we're gonna make his eyes like this, and then this. Ah, my eyeball! No, my eye. Okay, now. Okay, that probably will work, but I'm just gonna do it like a small one. Yeah, like this. And then make another one. Okay, now this is what it turned out for me. I'm a purple Mr. Krabs, because I only have purple slime. Okay, now let's first take off this first. And there you go. Okay, I took the nose off. Now this eyeball. Whoa. Now this one. That easy to get off your face. Now, what do I want to make next? Maybe pearl? Ooh, yeah, that's a challenging one. So we're probably gonna need all this slime. Yeah, you cannot make pearl. Unless you have a lot of slime, then you can accomplish that. Yeah. Oh, sorry. So what we're gonna make next is Patrick. Okay, all we need to do is his head. Okay. Just make his head like this. There we go. This is my Patrick Starhead. If you love it. Okay. So let's keep it up. Let's get it off. Oh my gosh. Yeah, this is what it looked like. Oh my gosh. Okay. Okay, now we're going to make Squidward. So first you're going to want to do this. We need to make his round head with this part. His beautiful nose. I'm Squidward. I'm Squidward, and I am boring, and I don't like SpongeBob and Patrick. Kiddos, take this off now. Let's see if this will come off. Okay, now SpongeBob's turn. Cut it in half again for the nose and the head, just like Squidward. First, we're gonna do that. I'll try my best to make it look like SpongeBob right now. So that's how my head's going. Now okay. So that's all for today, everyone. Bye!